Mint Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before reading. The Mint Retirement Planner is a free tool integrated with the Mint budgeting app designed to help users estimate their retirement saving needs and track progress towards their goal. And here is an honest review based on available information about this platform. So starting from the good side of this platform, it comes with a comprehensive financial overview meant to allow users to link various financial accounts, providing a centralized view of income, expenses, and investment, which aids in holistic retirement planning. It also has a user-friendly interface together with the app offer an intuitive and visual appealing interface, making it accessible for users with varying level of financial literacy. It also comes with a good tracking. And talking about the downside, which is the bad side about this platform, which is a limited depth for advanced planning. While meant to provide a basic retirement projection, it lacks the details analysis offered by specialized retirement planning tools such as a tax implication or a withdrawal strategy. It also comes with a bad side of dependency on linked account and also potential over simplification. And here's the overall conclusion about the platform. The Mint Retirement Planner is a valuable tool for individuals seeking a straightforward, free solution to estimate retirement saving need and track progress. It is particularly beneficial for those new to retirement planning or looking for a basic overview. However, for more detail and personalized retirement strategies, users may need to supplement Mint with additional resources or consult a financial advisor. Thanks.